Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, guys. Welcome back to a brand new video on my YouTube channel. Guys, today is a day in the life of a 19-year-old millionaire. It's literally like 5 or 5:30 a.m. and I just got done with the prayer, alhamdulillah. I'm about to go home, do some stocks, some forex trading and stuff like that, lose some money. Nah, I'm just kidding, guys. I don't do forex and stuff like that, but I'm gonna keep it realistic, guys. I don't do forex and stuff like that. I'm gonna show you guys what I will do now. I'll go home, head over, finish a few things that I have to do today. The rest of the things will be uploaded in the video, so make sure you guys watch until the end. And today I'm also gonna be going to Paradzel Arab for a meeting, so I hope you guys can follow up until the end of the video. Yeah, let's go and see what my day looks like. 25, still haven't slept, still working, guys. Today's gonna be a good day because, as I told you guys, I have a good thing to happen today, inshallah. Today's gonna be a great day, inshallah. Got my day planned out, and yeah, I'm about to go hit the bed, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Oh boys, the azan just happened, and today I'm out for iftar right now at the one and only cousin Burak. I'm sorry if you guys can't hear me properly, there's just way too much rush, but yeah, let's enjoy the food. I'm gonna show you guys the buffet and all of that stuff. Let's see how it is, inshallah. And yeah, today is beautiful. Let me show you guys the outside. You guys can see, mashallah, got cousin Burak right here, bro. Gonna go eat, and I'm gonna catch up with you guys in a bit. But yeah, boys, we're about to go to the only 9-star, 7-star hotel in the entire world, and that's gonna be a good video, guys. The full video will be a separate video on my YouTube channel, but I'm gonna show you guys a sneak peek of what goes on and what happens and stuff like that, you know what I mean? So if you guys are enjoying the content, make sure you guys leave a like, subscribe, and turn on the post notification. I'll make sure I supply you guys with the bangers, you know what I'm talking about. Alright, boys, we're in the Paradzel Arab, alhamdulillah, as you guys can see. Looks so beautiful, and right now we're gonna go to the spot, and yeah, let's do it, inshallah. Alright, boys, so we just ordered some gold cappuccino. It's about to arrive, and I'm gonna show it to you guys how it is, and I'm gonna rate it out of 10, and I promise I'll be so honest, like I don't even care, bro. So I'll be honest about it. Alright, boys, we just got the water. One sip equals to 50 dirham. But you know what? The water tastes like water. Isn't that crazy, bro? But anyways, guys, came here for a meeting, got done with the meeting. Right now we just ordered gold cappuccinos, just because I want to show it to you guys. So if you guys haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe. I might go broke for this video. I'm just kidding, guys. Look, alhamdulillah, you know, trying to get the experience, trying to enjoy, you know, some time, because I've been working for the past like 2 years non-stop. I'm thinking of going for a vacation. Alhamdulillah, the best part is all of my work can be done from anywhere I am, you know. All of my stores, I can access it right on my phone right now. I can run the ads on my car while having my computer. So alhamdulillah, the best thing that I have like right now is the freedom, and the freedom of money is the most vital thing you need in life. If I was anyone else, I would have probably be in job right now, or do some project or assignment, be a school kid. But I'm not, alhamdulillah, because I took the right decision when I was when I was 17. I thought about like fully going into e-commerce and dropshipping, and alhamdulillah, it paid off, you know. So make sure you guys stick to one thing. Make sure if you guys have a dream, you stay true to it and you achieve it as well. Alright boys, we got the coffee with the real gold, and it actually says Burj Al Arab on top, and I'm about to taste try it. I hope it tastes good, inshallah. I'm gonna be honest, as I mentioned, so it's gonna be very hard drinking this, but Bismillah. Alright boys, test try 2, because the first one failed. I didn't mix it up, so I was just tasting straight up coffee.
You mean gold?
Man, when you come to these places, you don't gotta look for taste, you gotta look for the looks.
Hold up. Wait a minute. Something ain't right.
The number rated out of 10, and I promise I'll be so honest, like I don't even care. So, the looks are 10 out of 10. Taste, let me see the marshmallow. This is actually so good. The marshmallow is 10 out of 10, guys. For the video. Oh.
Is it sweet at least?
It's not sweet. I would say it's a 4 out of 10. Sorry. Alright boys, alhamdulillah, we just got done with the coffee and stuff like that. It's got this right here. I don't know how it's gonna taste, but I'm just gonna give it a try. It looks delicious, bro. Wallahi 10 out of 10, bro, I swear. If you guys come here, they should get the raspberry cheesecake. It's actually a 10 out of 10. Yeah bro, the place is a vibe, mashallah. In a minute, we're about to leave. We're about to go for Qiyam al-Layl there, inshallah. In an hour probably. But I'm sorry if the whole day wasn't there, because I told you guys my day is mostly at home, working until I go out and probably do something fun, have meetups. That's how my day goes, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want to see more, make sure you leave a like, subscribe, and turn on the post notification. And if you guys want to live the life that you're dreaming of, the life that I was dreaming of 2 years ago, is currently coming true, alhamdulillah. You know, I'm working towards it. All you gotta do is literally join Hustlers Ecom, guys. Within 1 year, 5 months, 1 month, you could be somewhere that you never thought you would be, subhanallah. So it's all about pure dedication and hard work, and I actually mean it, you know. Put your trust into Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, everything will be good. So make sure you guys do that as well. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys next time.